Quezon Avenue, Quezon City. It's the Good Night Show. Music from the Hornies and the All the Way Band. With tonight's guest, Darwin the Bear Malin. Live performances from Body Rhythm. And still, late night's hottest sensation, it's JoJo Wade.
Yeah! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you, thank you! Thank you! Good evening, friends! Welcome to the Good Night Show. It's Friday. I'm very excited about our guest, but before that, we need to talk about this. Alam niyo yung nangyari recently, ang sinisisi na ngayon ng mga tao, and even the government, is the National Food Authority. Alam niyo yun, no, Bajo? NFA na, sila raw may kasalanan because of the food crisis. So yung NFA, papalitan na raw yan from National Food Authority to no food anymore. Pwede ring NFA, no food available. Pwede. Ano ba? Friends, sabi nila, nakakahiya daw, nakakaawa ng mga Pilipino kasi pumipila na tayo sa bigas, pare. Pumipila sa bigas. Para daw hindi pangit pakinggan na tayo, mga Pinoy, pumipila sa bigas. Let's just call it, total mayroong unity walk. Tawagin natin ng unity line. Diba?